Which landing page is the best? Let's do this. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Karol and I'm so excited for this video because in this video we're going to talk about which landing page is actually the best, what it takes to have the best and most converting capture pages, landing pages, and how to exactly do that. So in this video I will cover certain topics, so let me just give you an overview of what we are going to cover in this video. So first of all, we're going to talk about the offer, what you are offering, how to exactly lay it out. Then we're going to talk about the three most important things every capture page needs to have on there. Then we're going to talk about something that I like to call short and simple is the game. Then we're going to talk about the title formula, and lastly we're going to talk about something called split test. So let's dive into this and let's start talking a little bit more about the actual offer. Now, for the offer, you gotta keep in mind that the offer there needs to be one specific, clear offer. So don't put anything, 2 offers, 5 offers, whatever it is, only one specific offer. Be as specific and clear as you possibly can with this offer, because the more the customer needs to think about it, the more they are confused and they are going to get bored. So be as specific and clear as you can. Think about what are you offering, and don't talk around it. Don't talk, the broad talking about it, but be specific. So, for example, if you are in a weight loss industry, for example, right? I'm just making this up. So, if you are promoting a weight loss program, don't talk about, get slim body, or, lose weight and be slim, whatever. Don't talk like this. Don't talk around it. Be specific. So if, again, a weight loss product should be something like lose 10 pounds in 4 weeks, for example, right? If you can give the number of pounds they lose in what specific time, then that's the best, because we all want, results as soon as it's possible, right? We want the instant results. So if you can give them, the pounds they will lose and the time frame these pounds are going to be lost, then it's perfect. Now, again, be specific and clear with your offer. Always use only one offer. Perfect. Now, for our second point, which is the 3 most important things each capture page or landing page needs to have. So first of all, you might probably guessed it, is the offer. So again, just repeating myself, one specific and clear offer. Now, for the second point is, how does it make my life better? You gotta explain to your customer, how does this offer, what you are offering them, how does it make their lives better? So, for example, for our weight loss example, if you're offering a weight loss program and they have the opportunity to lose weight, you gotta think that, those people who go for lose weight products, they don't go into the lose weight industry or lose weight products for the sake of losing the weight. That's not what we really want with losing weight. We want what comes after we lose that specific weight. So, for example, that means, if I lose weight, I will be able to, get into the jeans I wasn't able to get for the last 5 years, or, be able to find the love of my life, be more self-confident in front of people, show off my beautiful body or whatever, if it is a woman, right? So this is what people want when they go into the lose weight industry. So again, think about what they secretly want, right? So you gotta get into a little bit of their thinking, what they are thinking about, what they actually want to achieve. And so if you can find that and give it to them, then that's perfect. So again, that is I think, yes, that is all for this second thing. And the third thing is basically what do they need to do in order to get it, right? So you gotta make it clear, very clear, what do they need to do in order to get the information or the offer you are providing them. So again, it needs to be very clear. If it is a capture page and you want their email addresses, you need to be specific about it. So leave your best email over here. Then there is a button where you put like access the information now by clicking on it, or click the button over here and access the information needed, right? So this is it. So again, first of all, it's offer. How does it make my life better, and what do they need to do in order to receive it? Perfect. Now for our third point in our which landing page is better video, we are going to talk about the short and simple is the name of the game. So again, I like to use this phrase because it really, works for capture pages. If you are, or landing pages, of course. If you are, the more you put on your landing page, the more confused your customer is going to be, and you gotta keep in mind that the confused mind never buys. So the capture page or the landing page needs to be very, very clear, short and simple. Don't put, pictures about whatever, different people or whatever it is. Don't put too many informations over there, like on the left, right side. Definitely don't put any, menus or anything on top of it, right? That's really not the game for landing pages. So a landing page should have only basically the offer, which is the title, or the hook. Again, different name for offer is hook. Then there is you can put some small instruction like access the information below or whatever. Then there is the opt-in form where they leave their contact information, and then there is the call to action or the button, which means access. When they click, they will access the information, and that's it. For the background, the most popular ones, the most effective ones are very, very plain, one colored ones, probably white, blue, red, maybe not red, but that's like too aggressive, but you got the point. So it's very, very, again, simple and short. Perfect. So this is for our third point, and now let's dive into the fourth point, which is the title formula. Now, for the title formula, there is a little bit of like a magic formula for the title, I like to call it, because it starts with a very simple word, which is how to. Sorry, two words. How to. So you're giving them a kind of like instructional, tutorial or whatever it is. That's how tutorials start, with how to. And people do like these kind of messages, how to. They want to, get the information, how to do something. So you start with how to, and then after how to, you give them either benefit and benefit. So you give, lose 10 pounds in 4 weeks and get into your jeans, right? Or what I find even better and more converting and more interesting is how to benefit without pain, right? So for example, for our weight loss program, it should be lose 10 pounds in 4 weeks without starving yourself. And now I will explain to you why this is so good and so good converting. Because we as human beings, we do want to achieve our desires. We do want to get our wants, right? But what we want more than our wants is to avoid pain. So if we can get some wants and desires, that's perfect, but we gotta avoid pain no matter what. That's our thinking actually. So basically, if they had to choose between their desires and avoiding pain, most people, 90% of them, would rather avoid the pain. So having said that, if you manage to find the secret desire they want and offer it to them without the pain they're trying to avoid, then you won, right? So that's it for the this is it basically for the title formula. So again, how to benefit, and then or how to benefit without pain. Very simple. Now for our last point, which is called the split test. A split test is a very simple idea and very simple technique which has enormous results for your business, enormous potential results for your business. A split test is basically an automated system, an automated method that allows you to test two versions of your landing page to different customers, right? So that means that you have two versions, very similar versions of your capture page, and customers, when they get into your capture page, they are going to see, different versions of your capture page. Now, each specific client is going to see only one version of it, so they're not going to see, both of them. But if there is another customer, they're going to see version number 1. Third customer is going to see, version number 2, and so on and so on. And now, what it actually does for you is you have the option to test different specific elements and sections of your capture page, right? Which means you can test your title, you can test whatever other sections you might possibly test. And what it allows you to do, I can tell you from my experience, if you do this properly, it can multiply your conversions. Just this one technique can multiply your conversions because you find, the perfect version of your capture page, which is amazing, and it's, no additional cost, no time involved in it. You just automate it. And so, the three most important things you can possibly split test is the title. Definitely, you should start with the title. Then there is the button. So it's either, the color of the button, it can be the size of it, or whatever it is. And then you can test the background. Other things are not that much important. So these three are the most important ones. So if you find the perfect versions of these three, then you won. So this is it, guys, for today's video. So just for lastly, I just wanted to say, it's all about testing. So, finding the right formula for your perfect customer. So don't be afraid to try different ways. And, the more you test, the faster you get the results you secretly desire. So this is it, guys, for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got lots of value from it. And listen, if you are the person who is looking for and want to start an affiliate marketing business, then I highly encourage you to click the link below. You'll get access to a 4-day free video series where you will learn how to start an affiliate marketing business on your own. So this is it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon in another videos. Bye, guys.